our pain points and how HubSpot CRM can cure that pain. So we've all heard the stories, horror stories as a matter of fact, about companies that use CRM. They spend millions on the system and they make little or no palpable return on the investments. What about an experience with a small business who usually cannot afford the CRMs and do it manually? You call them and you wait on the phone for about 15 minutes to have a secretary come back to the line and say the person that can help you is out for a day or two. So you call back that 2 days later and you find that no one knows that you requested something or what your reason for calling even was. You explain yourself twice, if not 3 times, to get your problem understood. Now that's probably acceptable in a company that has like 3 or 4 people working for them. However, is that a fair way for us to run an enterprise of 10,000 or more people? Carol Brown and several of her colleagues wrote that the goal of a customer relationship management system is to use technology to forge a strong relationship between business and its customers. To look at CRMs in another way, the business is seeking to better manage its enterprise around customer behaviors. Diane Lettingham and Daryl Rigby, via the Harvard Business Review, indicated that for the success of a customer relationship management system, we should look at strategic initiative, plan for the CRM to address our pain points, and determine the level of data quality required for the CRM to work to that end. So there are 4 inefficiencies or pain points in our processes when we interact with our customers. The first inefficiency that we've identified is customer communications. A company called Gladly studies customer interactions, and they determined that 92% of customers will leave after the 3rd lousy experience they've had. 26% of those very polled customers have done so after 1 bad experience and without notice to the company. Gladly also indicated that customers are expecting multi-channel communication integration or experience when they contact the companies with which they do business. Our second concern is handling our customers' matters, issues, or problems. This process needs to be to pass information through each organization that interacts with the customer. We accomplish that task by passing along proper information from one representative to another. Third, we look at activity planning, tracking, and alerting. Currently, we do it on paper and we set up appointments through a third-party vendor, and that's not working because customers are getting lost and drop through the cracks. We need to have something that visually reminds us of our meetings and the promises we make to our customers. And our final concern is documentation surrounding everything above. Our inefficiencies need to be documented pristinely, and that information needs to be available so that we can improve the customer experience within our business. The documentation from each of the 4 aspects or pain points is essential to improving our knowledge base. Documentation also informs our representatives so they can personalize the customer's experience by providing information from each of the communication channels where our customers contact us. Information from documentation aids in continuity and prevents our customers from repeating themselves over and over again. That main act often causes our customers to feel like they're being treated as a number and not a person. That is one of the main reasons why we lose customers. Our solution to the problem is HubSpot. This will help and assist our representatives in becoming more efficient and effective communicators and add a more personal touch to our customers. Our customer communications multi-channel integration needs to be 100% perfect. When it comes to our customers' ticketing system, that needs to be about 99.99% accurate, and activity planning tracking is okay at 90 to 95%. When it comes to documentation, we've got to be 100% pristine. So we introduced HubSpot. They're a leader in CRM. They were reviewed on a company called Finances Online. The job that Finances Online has specifically is reviewing CRM applications. They gave them a 9.8 out of 10 points and provided customer reviews showing a satisfactory rate of 98%. So HubSpot CRM provides a platform that includes integration with each of the multi-channel communication methods that we require. Those are email, phone, customer self-service, chatbots, instant messaging, and of course social messaging. Tool provides a ticketing system to assist in handling customer issues and problem resolution, and the ground floor price allows us to take advantage of a strategic staged move to that system. It costs $0 to start. As we grow and we identify additional pain points, we can strategically plan and budget for increased add-ons and capabilities within that CRM. Why this works? Well, I want to point out the reasons why this will all work to our advantage. First is the low introductory cost, coupled with HubSpot providing the platform that answers each of our identified pain points. Second, we can have intuitive integration of multi-channel communications, which will satisfy the interaction styles of each of our customers. The ticketing system allows us to capture data around problem resolution for our customers and contributes data to our knowledge base so that we can get to know our customers and improve their experience. Our activity scheduling function allows us to set appointments, track touch points, and alerts us for those dates and important milestones. And HubSpot CRM provides us with a central repository for all our data collection on these aspects, especially related to our pain points, and coupling that with the documentation aspect, which is integrated with each of these pain points, we can build a more in-depth customer profile and better understand our interactions and how to improve them.